Hello students, we are doing advertisement writing and this is the second part of advertisement writing. In our previous video, we learnt the format of advertisement writing and what is the criteria we have to follow here. We are restricted to some of the things here, the word limit like and the description when we want to give. So, we need not to write down the complete sentences there. So, please keep all these things in mind while writing the advertisement. And we learned that advertisement we can be of two types, classified and non-classified. That non-classified is also known as commercial advertisements, right? But right now we are still working with this classified advertisement. So if you have forgot that previous video, please watch that. And for a revision, I want to tell you that classified advertisements are only the advertisements which we have to put in the newspapers and the magazines, usually because you want to sell or buy something or to find or to offer a job. So, in the previous video I have shown you the advertisement sample also which are there in the which are published in the newspapers, right. So, this is what classified advertisement, and this is what heading is of 1 marks, means this is the of total it is of 3 marks and heading carries 1 mark. So, please do not forget to give that. Content is of 1 mark and expression is of 1 mark, means no spelling mistake should be there. Your formation of the sentences, whatever you are doing, that should be right, and in expression it should not go beyond the format, right, and the word limit. So, you have to take care of all these things while writing the advertisement where we are doing classified type of advertisements. So, in the previous video we did, I think, situation wanted, and today we will start with situation vacant. So, please be attentive, see this video carefully, and whatever we are discussing, please make the notes of that. It will be helpful for your examination. So, let us see this. So, here on your screen you can see the format for situation vacant type. So, here always start with wanted or required, right. Do not forget to mention the name of the organization, clearly state the number of the vacancies and the post for which the advertisement is about. If stated, mention the age and the gender of the candidate, qualification and the experience required for the post, mention the pay scale, perks and also mode of applying, address and contact number for correspondence. So, this is the sample of situation wanted here on the screen, which you can see. So, wanted an efficient, smart and hardworking data entry operator for a leading company, for a leading manufacturing company in Gurgaon. Qualification is graduate, age 20 to 35 years, typing speed 50 words per minute, preference to those who have 1 or 2 years experience, salary up to INR, whatever your choice that you can do here. Apply with complete biodata, contact number is given here. So, like this you have to write down the advertisement for situation vacant. Now, next one is format for to-lets advertisement. What is to-lets? Like you want to get some house or accommodation on rent, right. So, then you have to write down this advertisement in the column of to-let. So, here on your screen you can see the format of to-let advertisement type of advertisement. So, here always start with the wanted or available, like house wanted on rent, or to-let directly if you will say, so that will do, right. Or suppose it is also having two cases. Suppose your house is there vacant and you want to give that on rent. So, in that case you will do available for rent, right. If you want to get a house, so there you will do wanted a house on rent. So, mention the type of accommodation. This you have to select as per the question, okay. Whatever the demand is will be the question of that you have to do. Mention the type of the accommodation, expected rent, any other feature for the accommodation, address and the mobile number to contact, okay. So, this you have to do here. Now, here on the screen you can see the sample of the advertisement for to-let. So, how you have to do? If you are directly doing to-let here, no worries, but you have to write at the starting available. Okay, so here it is available, means your house is vacant and you want to give that on rent. So here you have to give available. If you want a house, so here you will write on wanted on rent. Okay, so this is the most important thing which you have to take care here. So available on rent basis a newly built house in Vijay Bihar, 4 bedrooms with attached baths, a drawing cum dining room, a large kitchen and a balcony. Garage will with car parking facility also provided. Rent expected to be around 50,000 to 70,000 per month. Family preferred. Contact mobile number, any mobile number you can give here, or Shalini 98 Vijay Bihar, Gurgaon, Haryana. Okay, so here you have to give these all necessary informations, but here you can see the rent is too much, so that you can do according to you, right. So this is what we have learned, that how to write down the advertisement to let, and this was for available. Okay, when the house was available. Next, let's see what is the. So this is the format on a screen for sale and purchase of property assets. Format for sale and purchase of property assets. So these types of advertisements start with sale, purchase, wanted. Okay, it may be any case, you want to sell the property, you want to if you want to purchase the property also, or any asset. So in that situation, how you have to design advertisement. These type of advertisements start with sale, purchase, wanted. Give a brief description of the property, vehicle and any good. In case of property, mention the number of the floors, size, number of rooms, location and surroundings. So this is very important, you have to give that necessary description of the thing or the property or the asset or any good you want to sell. And the whatever the adjectives you are using, or whatever the describing sentences you are using, so that you have to write down with the help of the commas. Okay, please do not write down complete sentences, avoid that, because word limit is only 50 words. In case of vehicles, mention the color, model, accessories, year modification. If any, price, mileage and condition for household goods. Mention the condition, the price offered or expected. So now let's see how we have to do the advertisement with the help of a sample. So this is for purchase. Okay, for purchase. For purchase, Omax flat in Anand Bihar with 2 bedroom, attached bathroom, balcony, DD with the family, launch. Price to be around 30 to 40 lakhs. Bonafide owners or dealers to contact. BK Bose 13298 Ramesh Nagar, New Delhi, and the phone number is given. So this is for purchase. Okay, and what is this flat? Where it is? It is in Anand Bihar, and this is the description, that this house is having 2 bedrooms, attached bathrooms, DD with family launch. Price to be around 30 to 40 lakhs, bonafide owners or dealers to contact, and then address you have to give. So this was for the property, means for the flat or the house. So next, if it is house for sale, so what you will do? House for sale. So this is the heading you have done here. This is the house for sale. 100-hectare corner house in a posh locality of Kanchipuram with front lawn and garden available for sale. So this address you have to give according to the question. Okay, if it is not given in the question, you can use any area whatever you like, with the front lawn and the garden available for sale. So this is why we are writing. Suppose our house we want to sell, so this is what we are giving the advertisement. Okay, and we are describing the house. 5 bedrooms with attached washroom, spacious living area, modular kitchen, well ventilated, comma 24 into 7 electricity and water supply. Okay, so you must see here whatever the the description of the house we are giving, that we are using with commas. Here 5 bedrooms with attached washroom, comma spacious living area, comma modular kitchen, well ventilated, comma 27 into 4 electricity and water supply, because you have very limited word limit, so that you have to follow. So next is what? Next is you have to see what is there. So that is, interested buyers contact Alka, or phone number is given 15 Rajendra Nagar, Kanchipuram, and this address if given in the question, so you have to strictly follow that. Okay, if not, then you can use your own address also, or any address what you want to mention here. But if it is mentioned in the question, so please do not forget to mention that same address in that. Okay, so this was what? House for sale. Next is appliances for sale, because we are doing all together, right? So appliances for sale. Available for sale: 1 refrigerator, LCD TV 32 inches, means this is 1 LCD TV, 1 double bed and a branded almirah, right? So this is what? Available, means you want to sell this, right? So that's why it is written appliances for sale. So available for sale: 1 refrigerator, LCD 32, 1 LCD TV 32 inches, 1 double bed and 1 branded almirah. All the items are good in condition. Refrigerator is double door with all the features. Bed and almirah of appealing design. Price negotiable. Contact Ashima with the phone number. So students, you must notice that this writing, advertisement writing, is quite interesting and quite easy. Only you should get that what is the format you have to follow, and what is the word limit, and how to start and how to end. So you must know till now that we have to start the advertisement with the heading. Okay, and that heading should be in capital letters, means if not all, so the first letter capital of all the words which you are using, and then we have to start with available, for sale, wanted, for wanted, or someone something like that. No, whatever the heading is there, whatever the question is, according to that you have to give that particular heading, and you have to give some of the very special descriptions of that particular thing also, and use commas in the between the sentences. Please do not exceed the word limits, so that is very necessary, and the contact number and the address is also very important. So this is appliances for sale. Now in the next class we will do this format of educational type of advertisement. So for today it is enough, I think so. So you have to make notes of the formats given here, right? We did 3, I think. One is situation vacant, second one is house or property for sale, and then for to let. So please write down all these samples and the formats, and whatever the exercises given in your books also, so that you have to do related to these formats. Thank you very much for today, and that's all.